Right, Leo. I found a log at the back of one of the storage sheds and it reminded me I need to give you a lesson in how to use a chainsaw.
OK, Bob. I've been looking forward to this one.
Just remember the chainsaw is a very dangerous tool, so safety is super important.
Of course, Bob. Which is why I'm going to concentrate extra hard.
Great. So, first off, the right safety gear. I'll need all these. Gloves, safety goggles, and ear defenders. OK, now step back, Leo. I'm going to switch the chainsaw on. Pull the starter rope sharply until the engine fires. Disengage the brake, squeeze the throttle, and start cutting.
Scoop, Muck, Lofty, come check this out. Awesome.
That is incredible.
Amazing, Bob. It'll take me a long time to get anywhere near that good.
Just takes practice, Leo.
Have you seen a log anywhere? I ordered it for the seesaw I'm building at the playground.
Oh, whoops. I think you might need to order another one of those, Wendy. In fact, why don't you have a sit down while I do it?
Oh. Huh?
We always start with a good plan, then mayhem and chaos ensue. It looks like another disaster.